Today we're going to show how easy it is to get IT technical support from our internal IT Help Desk using the Teleco Support Tool widget. Our IT Help Desk provides local support for all sorts of desktop-related issues, including user logins, printing issues, remote connections, password resets, and more. Our IT Help Desk is a resource for your entire team. With our managed IT support program, submitting a support ticket is easy with the Teleco Support Tool widget, conveniently located in every user's desktop system tray. When a user submits a help desk ticket, our technicians can easily get the information they need to diagnose and solve the problem quickly and efficiently. All tickets are tracked and triaged based on severity and reported on. Let's look at how submitting a help desk ticket actually works. If I look in the system tray at the bottom right of my screen in the taskbar next to the clock, I can see the Teleco Support Tool. Clicking on it gives me a few options. I can view the Teleco contact page to look up what the service phone number or email is, as well as information about Teleco's locations and hours of operation. Our Central Avenue location handles wireless and cell phones, while our Amber Drive location handles business phone systems, IT services, cybersecurity, data cabling, and security alarm monitoring. I don't even need to call or email though. I can submit a help desk ticket directly from the Teleco Support Tool. Clicking on the Help Request Form option opens a window where I can submit my problem directly to the service desk, where a Teleco technician will be assigned to help. Your company name and device ID will automatically be included when you submit the ticket, but we ask that you include your name and contact details so that the technician who's assigned will be able to reach you. Include whichever phone number and email address you'd like to be contacted at. For the subject line, it helps us if you include a concise description of the problem. For example, you might put something like "can't print to color printer" or "Outlook login not working." In the body field, you can give us any details you might think might be helpful to the technician. For example, a description of the circumstances in which you're running into the problem, or when the problem started occurring, and if there's anything you've already tried to solve the problem. You can also include pictures with your ticket. This can be extremely helpful for the technician who is troubleshooting your problem. Click the big green plus icon and you can either attach an existing image file that you've previously saved or use the screenshot option to capture an image from your screen. The screenshot tool is handy if you want to show the technician the exact error message you're getting. Bear in mind that screenshots will include everything visible on the screen on all of your monitors except for the support request window itself, which will not show up in the picture, so don't worry about it covering up important parts of the screen. When you submit the ticket, it will be assigned to a technician who will reach out to you to confirm the nature of the problem and to get any additional information they require. The support tool automatically provides our support team with technical information about your machine, such as the operating system and hardware specifications. The support tool also includes a built-in remote support screen sharing tool, so that if you need a technician to remotely connect to your PC to resolve the issue, they can do so easily through the support tool. If you are experiencing a business-critical issue or cannot access the Teleco Support Tool widget, then please call our IT Help Desk directly at 807-346-7295. Business-critical issues would include things like computers that can't power up at all, an office that has lost all internet access, or if there's an issue affecting a whole group of people or a department. Calling the Help Desk directly during business hours will ensure immediate action. If you have non-urgent questions, you can also email our IT Help Desk at helpdesk@teleco.ca. These emails will be responded to when a Help Desk technician has time between urgent tickets. We also have a general service line to assist with the other products and services we provide at 807-346-7292 or email service@teleco.ca. Regardless of your service inquiry, we'll make sure you get looked after and your problem is resolved quickly.